Hey guys, it's John here again. I'm going to open this here, Thunder's Dopamine record, the new record for 2022. So yes, I don't know exactly the date this came out, but it wasn't that long ago. And this is was a bargain, £9 something for a double coloured vinyl record, which was new. I couldn't believe it. Apparently the songs on a Western Sky, Dancing in the Sunshine and Across the Nation are the tracks. I think I've listened to Dancing in the Sunshine was the one I listened to, and me being a fan of Thunder, at that price I've got to get this record. They are a great band. If you don't know anything about Thunder, go and check out Laugh Non-Judgment Day album and Backstreet Symphony album, and then tell me what you think. Because that's the Laugh Non-Judgment Day was the album that got me into Thunder back in 1992. And I did buy most of their stuff back then, obviously, and then I stopped for a while. I think after Staring at the Sun, or Shooting, is it Staring? No, Shooting at the Sun, Shooting something, I forgot. I didn't really buy anything else of theirs after that. And then a number of years later I started buying all their stuff again. And now I'm struggling to get this off. Right, here we go. So there it is, without the glary cover. And whoa, what's in there? There's a mermaid. Yes. Just what I'm looking forward to this summer. Right, this is the record at the back. So there's some pictures of Danny. Not Danny, yeah, Danny and all that. And Luke Morley. And then this is a brownie colour. Yeah, it's a brown coloured vinyl. So yeah, that's probably to replicate the don't know. Not sure. Right, I cannot get this thing in the sleeve. Don't you just hate that? And here we go, another one. Just got to press something on my computer. Did I put the right one there? Yeah. That's better. Right, and then this is the other one. It's it's a different colour. That threw me. I thought it was going to be the same colour. So Dopamine. And that's the lyric side on the sleeve. And then that's that colour. Very cool. But yeah, all I got to do now is go and listen to the album, see what I think of it. And I enjoyed the last album, the what's the one? All the Right Places. All the Right Noises was the album that came out. I think it was the year before. Was it 2021? And that time between that and this one's flown by. So, right, I'm going to let you get on and see you in the next video.